Hi viewers, how are you? I hope so that you all are fine. Today I will tell you about how to download your YouTube video in your mobile gallery. So let's start our video. Let's I open my YouTube. I have opened my YouTube and you can see that I have opened, and I will open this video and stop here. And now I will tell you how to download this video in your mobile gallery. Simply share this video, and you have download your Vidmate application, and simply click here. When you click here, it will go to Vidmate application, and you can see it will open in Vidmate application, and you can see this. You can download your video in any category like 144 pixel, 240, 360, 480 and 720 and 1080 megapixel में आप, and you can also download, and simply click here to download, and you can see this, it will download in your mobile gallery. Then question arise here that how to download Vidmate. Simply go to Play Store and click here Vidmate, and simply you can download Vidmate here. Vidmate, Vidmate application for, you can see this and many Vidmate type, but you have download first of application, yes, as this, and you can download any your video about any YouTube video or any other video from Vidmate. Then you simply go to Vidmate and simply download. And in other way, if you want to open YouTube here, you can also open your YouTube here and download. Simply to click the download button and download your video in your mobile gallery. As you will download this, open this video, and you can see this option download, and you can download in any category like I download it in 144, and you can see this. I will show this video in my mobile gallery. It will take some minute. I will show you this. It is a simple way to download your mobile application video or any YouTube video in your mobile gallery. As you know, this is big problem for many mobile users that cannot download any video in your mobile gallery. So you can download video like this method, and this my video is downloaded, and I will open this in my mobile gallery. Simply then I would click to the done option, and I will open the mobile gallery, and see the result. Still my video is not downloaded. Go to Vidmate and see from here. Yes, now this video is downloaded. I will open the all features and you can see here my video is downloaded here like this. So this is my video about how to download mobile video in your gallery. Thanks for watching my video. As you can see, this is my video and I have downloaded my video in my mobile gallery. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.